Okay, I'm here in Tulsa on Boulder Street, just south of the downtown. That's kind of the heart of the downtown. And I am in front of the Abundant Life building. Now, I don't know a whole lot about this building other than it was built by a like a church religious group called Oral Roberts or Oral Roberts University or Ministries, something like that. So it's built by a church basically in 1957. It then went abandoned in the early 80s. So it's basically in use for 25 years, and then it has sat here abandoned for 40 years. And there's a random bra on the street. That's awesome. So anyway, this building did have asbestos in it. I think they've cleaned out the asbestos, and if you see these star-shaped kind of bits on the side, this was covered in these kind of diamond star-shaped pieces, and they've removed it all because I guess a couple years ago they started coming undone or unglued, or there was a safety concern as to the facade of this building falling down and maybe hitting somebody. You can still see up at the top the kind of star-shaped pieces. I don't know much about this building, but I do believe that given its proximity to a very busy area right now, and an area that has had a lot of reinvestment and development, I do believe in the next couple years they're either going to tear this down or they're going to someone's going to redo it. This building has no windows. Excuse the road noise. It's a very odd piece of architecture. So it was built as like a headquarter building for this church, and I mean, it looks like there's people working on this, with this temporary fence and stuff. But it has no windows. It has very few doors. Kind of a mystery, right? I mean, how can you have a building like this in a downtown area go abandoned for 40 years without something going on with it? And it's definitely closed off to the public. It doesn't seem like too many people have gotten in here to take pictures over the years. You can find pictures of it online. I would absolutely love to get in this building. I'm sure it would be absolutely fascinating. Look at all the stuff that they've removed. I'm gonna ask these guys if I can get in here.